How to make your Facebook profile private. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. To officially lock your Facebook profile, there are several important steps you need to follow before proceeding. First of all, you have to open the Facebook application, or you can just simply go to website. If you're using the applications, make sure that it's updated to the latest version available. Now, log into your specific account and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. And once you're in the Settings menu, you will need to customize your audience for the various visibility options. Look for the section labeled as Visibility, and there you will find options pertaining to your followers and public content. It's essential to change every feature from public to friends or any other setting that suits your specific privacy requirement. After making these changes, you have to go to the main settings menu and select the option called Profile and Tagging. Here you can make further adjustments according to your personal preferences regarding who can tag you and view your profile. Once you're done with those settings, you can navigate back once again and now look for the option called Profile Locking. That is the initial option in the audience and visibility. Click on it. Here my profile is already locked, so it's showing the option to unlock my account. So if you haven't locked your account yet, you will see the option to lock your profile. Simply tap on Lock Your Profile to finalize your process. And this will help you enhance your privacy and make your profile more secure from unwanted viewers. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.